So we have been asking the question lately, what is the CDC going to do with the conditional sail order? I mean, it is set to expire in less than a week, or so we thought, and we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, the CDC has officially extended the conditional sail order. Now, we talked about this here once or twice over the last couple of weeks, and I thought more than likely the CDC was going to extend that at least till the end of 2021. And they have done an extension, but it is till January 15th of 2022. So they have extended the conditional sail order for 2.5 more months. Now, the CDC also did state that it fully intends for the conditional sail order to expire in January. They don't plan any further extensions, and after it expires, it will become a voluntary program where cruise lines can work together without a federal mandate in order to ensure that proper health and safety protocols are followed, which essentially, in my opinion, is what the cruise lines are already doing now. But hey, still going to expire January 15th, according to the CDC. Now, the modification or the temporary extension does have some changes in it from the original conditional sail order. So they have removed language referring to cruise ship operator protocols is unproven and untested. They have removed the requirement to include any CDC travel advisory, warning, or recommendation relating to cruise travel in marketing material. I'm sure if you've gone on one of the cruise lines' website, you see where it says on there somewhere that CDC recommends against cruise travel. That particular statement, that's what this is referring to. The cruise lines can take that off starting on November the 1st. They have removed the requirement to limit voyages to 7 days, which there are cruises out there that are longer than 7 days already. So I think that is pretty much just hey, take it out because we're not following it anyway. They removed the requirement for monitored observation period of passengers prior to embarking. Modified to state that voyage may be ended and further action taken if a ship meets red ship criteria under technical instructions for crew. Removed previous requirement that cruise ship operator must immediately end voyage, cancel future voyages, and return to port if COVID-19 is identified on board. And of course, they added in there that this is purely a volunteer requirement for cruise ships operating and departing in and out of the state of Florida due to the injunction order that has been issued there. And so that answers our question. What is the CDC going to do? Well, they're going to extend the conditional sail order for another 2.5 months. Now, what does that actually mean for cruise ships? What does that actually mean for our cruises coming up, our voyages, things like that? Guess what? Pretty much absolutely nothing. Because the cruise lines are already operating under their own health and safety protocols. They're already doing the things that they're doing. A lot of them have already extended their protocols into January and February anyway. So really, this is just the government saying, hey, we're going to keep this piece of paper active for another 2.5 months, because even if it did expire next week, it's not like the cruise lines were just going to go, yay, and do whatever they wanted to anyway. They were still going to be safe. They're still going to be healthy. They're still going to require the things they are requiring. Why? Because they are working and they want to keep sailing and they want to keep making money. Because that's what the cruise lines are there for. They're businesses. They want to make money. We all know that. Now, after this expires here in January and we get through the first month or two of 2022, especially if our Delta variant COVID numbers continue to decline, because that's going to be the key. They have to start going down and staying down. We may see a little relaxing in the requirements from the cruise lines, particularly masking requirements. If they maintain the vaccination requirements, we could see a reduction in the masking requirements, possibly at the beginning of next year, hopefully sooner. But until they actually put that out, can't say for sure, but I do predict it'll be sometime next year. All right, hope you guys have enjoyed this video on our current CDC updates with the conditional sail order. If you enjoyed today's video, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.